Welcome to another credit card unboxing video. Dwayne here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this credit card unboxing video, we're going to be having a look at the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card. But before we get started, I have a quick... Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV, and on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit. We also talk about how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right, and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card is a cashback credit card that allows you to get 3% on gas, 2% on groceries, and 1% on everything else. So we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing for this particular credit card. So give me 1 second and I'll see you over in the next video. All right, so in this credit card unboxing video, I'm gonna be opening the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card. So I have my envelope here, and I actually already opened this one because I was wanting to make a payment, because on this card, if you use $500 within the first 3 months, you can earn $200 cash back. So this is the 5th credit card that I've unboxed recently and that I've gotten recently. And like I said, I really wanted to make sure I didn't miss the opportunity to make a payment with this card, because I was trying to get $500 so I can get $200 back within the first 3 months if I spend $500. So I already opened this envelope here, so forgive me, I just couldn't wait. So let me go ahead and get into it and show you guys here. All right, so like I said, I already opened it, right? And this is a cashback credit card from Bank of America, and it's a pretty sweet card. All right, with this card, you're able to earn 3% cash back on gas, 2% on groceries and wholesale clubs, and 1% on everything else. So once again, if you spend $500 within the first 3 months, you're able to get back $200 in cash back. So that's a pretty cool deal. And of course, there's also some more offers. If you're a Bank of America customer, you get some more perks. I'll cover that in another video. So we have some terms and conditions information here. Of course, this has my name right there on it. But anyway, there's some terms and conditions here. I mean, it talks about, there's a table of contents here. It says account summary table, your contract with us, types of transactions, interest and fees, payment and default, credit availability limitations and warnings, miscellaneous, and your billing rights. None of this stuff I'm gonna read right now, or ever probably, because I pay my bill on time, so I never really worry about that. So right here it talks about the cash back. It says, here's how to get $200 cash reward bonus. So after you spend at least $500 in purchases within the first 90 days of account opening, that's how you get back $200 cash back. So like I said, I had to go ahead and open this one because I was trying to make a payment, because there was a huge payment that I wanted to make sure I got on here to kind of help me get closer to my cash back, or meeting the spending requirement. Okay, so as you can see here, this is showing my credit score at the time that I applied for this card. This one here says my score is 763 according to Experian. So that's what my score was at the time that I applied for this card. I believe my score went down actually quite a bit, since this is the 5th card that I applied for, and I applied for it a little after the other 4 cards. So my score was kind of already on the way down. All right, so let me go ahead and show you what the card looks like here. So this is what the card looks like. And of course it has my name right there. I'll have to black that out. Let me go ahead and see if I can take the sticker off for you guys so you can get a better look at the card here. I already called and activated it, so it's already activated, because like I said, I had to make a payment. I wanted to make sure I got that payment on the card. So this is what the card looks like. Pretty much all of your information is on the back of the card. They do have your name on the front. My name is right there on the front. But that's pretty much it. This is the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card, and I'm really excited for this particular card. My credit limit is $4,500. So not too bad, not too bad. It's my first credit card with Bank of America, probably ever actually. So I'm looking forward to it. Thank you for watching this portion of the video. I'll see you guys back in just 1 second.
Thanks for watching this video about the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card. If you like the video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share the video with somebody that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel because on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit. We also talk about how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.